Hi, we are the Red Strings, and you are watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
Love is securing the deal for today. Yung OPM guys, congratulations to ABS-CBN Music. Let's call in our 5 boys and 1 girl, the newest OPM band. Ladies and gentlemen, launching for the very first time, please welcome the Red Strings!
Yeah, ito nga po pala yung mga bandmates ko. Si Nico, si Ryzen, si Liana, si Liam, si Cedric. So yeah, let's enjoy this night. And yeah, vibes na. Alright, that was Cupido. Sana magustuhan nyo. Ang title na ito ay Nasa Ulit. Everything happens for a reason. So it's somehow, ba't naman malungkot yung kanta? So it's somehow connected. Kasi feeling ko, may rason kung bakit siya nandyan, kung bakit siya nandyan, kung bakit siya nandyan, bakit siya nandyan, bakit ako nandito rin. Kasi, we're all, I mean, parang red string na kung saan-saan man yun mapulupot, babalik at babalik pa rin niya kung saan siya dapat nandyan. Tapos nag-usap-usap kami na, anong pinag-usapan natin, no? Yung umaasa, mga delulu about that. So sabi namin, what if we make a song about a person na delulu? And we call it Asado.
Everyone say Red Strings!
So I'm Liana, the keyboardist of the Red Strings. If I would be a city in the Philippines, I would choose to be my hometown, Tagaytay City, the second summer capital of the Philippines. I was born and raised there, and feeling ko it just fits me kasi I'm a coffee person. And what do you do in Tagaytay City? Drink coffee. Yun.
Hi, I'm Sed. I'm the drummer of the Red Strings, and if I could be a city in the Philippines, I would be my hometown, Batangas City. Yes, Lomi, number 1.
So hello guys, I'm Ryzen. I'm the acoustic guitarist of the Red Strings. So if I could be a city, so siguro Baliwag City pa rin since I'm from there, and also Baliwag.
Hi, I'm Liam and I play the electric guitar for the band. And if I could be a Philippine city, I would be siguro La Union because I am easygoing.
Paano na yung Laguna?
Hi, I'm Jello. I'm the vocalist of the Red Strings. And kung magiging city ako, Bonifacio Global City. City ba yun? Yeah. Siguro BGC na lang kasi diverse yung culture. Tapos maraming pwede kang makita, maraming pwedeng i-offer.
Hello, I'm Nico and I'm the bassist of the band. If I were a city, siguro ako QC kasi dami kong core memories sa QC.
Well, may pressure ka na mararamdaman, of course. Pero imbis na pressure yung maraming ibabaw sa nararamdaman ko, it's more an excitement sa mga bagay pa na pwede namin i-offer, sa mga music na pwede namin iparinig, and sa mga performances na pwede namin gawin in the future. So yeah, I mean, I'm very excited more than anything about this band. And I would like to thank you.
Siyempre masaya kasi finally, you're part of something big. And with Jello being part of the band as the frontman, sobrang swerte lang din. Kasi very down-to-earth na artist. Kahit mainstream name na yung pangalan ni Jello. Wow, tribute pala to kay Jello. Sobrang bait pa rin niya. He treated us as equals. And may respeto sa banda. Kaya sobrang saya. If magkakaroon ng banda, I wouldn't trade anyone for Jello. Wow! Yun.
I felt pressured kasi nasa title pa lang ng show, The Next Big Band. So, it's up to us to live up to the name of the show, The Next Big Band. Pero parang okay naman yung pupuntahan niya so far. So, abangan niyo kami sa future ganaps. We have way more in store for you. Guys, di kayo ready? Di nyo kaya?
So for me naman, I'm so blessed kasi talagang madami naman talaga mas magaling pa sa akin, but ako talaga yung napili. So talagang it's perfect time talaga. Talagang perfect time to ni Lord para mapapasama ako sa band na to, and talagang masaya din ako. Siyempre, kasi sila yung mga kabanda ko, and also yung experience and yung bonding namin with each other, talagang sobrang saya. So, yun.
Okay, so ako naman very surprised kasi hindi ko akalain na ako yung mapipili dito sa band, and at the same time very excited ako kasi everything here is new to me, and siguro may challenge din sa akin sa pagiging musikero kasi ayun nga, bago to sa akin lahat, and ayun.
Ako, mixed emotions kasi si Jello may pangalan na siya eh. So, parang masaya ako na may pressure na basta halo-halo. Pero, nung nakilala ko siya ng sobra, kahit ni Jello. Ayun lang.
Again, we are the Red Strings, and abangan niyo po kami sa mga future gigs. And syempre, abangan niyo rin ang mga songs na i-release namin. And manda na kayong may love at may experience at ang iba't ibang klase ng pagmamahal.
Yes!
Teka, may naiwan po ako.
Yeah!